Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Munira Shine Academy. In today's video, we will be learning rational numbers. To start with rational number, we will first understand what is a natural number, what is a whole number, what are integers, and then what are fractions. And then I will let you know what is the difference between a fraction and a rational number. Okay, so it's a quick repetition of what is natural number. So when we talk about natural number, all the numbers which start with 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are natural numbers. When we say whole number, any number which starts with 0 is a whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This means all natural numbers are also whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural number because 0 is not a natural number. Now, what are integers? The numbers which come under natural and whole numbers are the positive numbers. Means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Remember, 0 does not have a sign. We do not say plus 0 or minus 0. Now, we have numbers with negative signs as well. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So, when we talk about integers, it is positive numbers plus a 0 plus negative numbers. All these together make integers. It means if we say we have a 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till infinity, and on the other side we can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So these are negative numbers with a minus sign, a 0 and positive numbers with a plus sign. Now generally what we do, we do not give sign with positive numbers. We write them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is assumed that it is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So all these together makes integers. Now when we talk about fractions. Fractions and rational number. Fraction is any number which have a numerator and a denominator. We generally say it is in the form a upon b, where b is not equal to 0 and a and b are whole numbers. It becomes a fraction. Any number in the form a upon b, a and b are the variables, where a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0. For example, 2 upon 3, 2 is a whole number, 3 is also a whole number, so this becomes a fraction. Now when we talk about a rational number, we say any number in the form p upon q. You can also say a upon b, it is okay because they are variables. So any letter is okay. This is the general standard form where we say number in the form p upon q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. Okay, for example, 2 upon 3, right? Now, for fractions example, I have given us 2 upon 3. For rational number also it is 2 upon 3. Why? Because if I say integers, it also includes whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, integers, negative numbers, positive numbers, and 0. So whole numbers are also integers. So 2 upon 3 is a fraction also, it is a rational number also. The only difference between fractions and rational number is that fractions have whole numbers, rational number have integers. Another example we can say minus 2 upon 3. Now minus 2 is an integer. If I say minus 2 upon 3 is a fraction, is minus 2 a whole number? No. So we cannot say that it is a fraction, but it is a rational number. Take another example. We say 0 upon 5. So 0 upon 5 is a rational number. Now what if I say 5 upon 0? Is this a rational number? No. Generally, if we have a 0 in the denominator, it is not defined. So we do not include it in a rational number or in a fraction as well. So the basic difference, I hope it is clear to you all. What is a fraction? What is a rational number? We are going to study rational numbers, different operations on rational numbers, and much more about it in the upcoming videos. Now, when we talk about the standard form to write a rational number, so P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, is the standard form where if we have any number which have negative sign, so if we have a rational number 2 upon minus 3, this is not the standard form. The standard form says that negative sign must always come in the numerator. So minus 2 upon 3 will be the standard form for the number 2 upon minus 3. Okay. If we have a number minus 2 upon minus 3, if we have negative sign in numerator and denominator both, they are cancelled. So the standard form will become 2 upon 3. So the standard form for any rational number where one number, one integer is a negative and another integer is a positive, the negative sign will always come in the numerator. For any rational number where one integer, where I should say both integers are negative either or both integers are positive, then the standard form is always positive. That is, for example, 2 upon 3. So this is about the basic information about rational number. Thank you very much.